Hello there. This is update one for Hurricane Tropical Storm Zeta. Right now, it's nearly stationary. Nearly stationary is expected to move to the northeast and make landfall in the Yucatan. Then make the second landfall near the Pensacola, Ala- or the Mississippi Alabama Bay. No border. I mean, but possible land there could be the Florida Panhandle, Alabama, Mississippi, and parts of eastern Louisiana could be a possible landfall. Right now it's projected a hurricane right now on the PSI scale. It's right now a 56. Actually, no, it's in a 56 actually. That's the second landfall for the first landfall right now. It's pretty disorganized right now, and as it's expected to be so far, it's expected to get better organized as it nears landfall, and is expected to strengthen into a hurricane as it enters the Gulf. So if we're taking a look at the forecast, they're saying in 12 hours, they're saying 45 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour, and then a landfall at around 70 miles per hour, and then come out into the Gulf at 75, hour 48, hour 60, it's 75, and then hour 72 is expected to be also 75, and could make landfall as and expected to die out very soon because right now they're saying at 30 miles per hour. This is a pretty dangerous threat for the Yucatan. They're expected a landfall maybe near Cancun again, which is not good at all. Also, it can make landfall in Tulum, Cozumel, Puerto Morelos, Alfredo V. Bonfil. This is not a good situation for people who live in the Yucatan, and then other possible landfall locations could be Grand Isles, Perez, Gulfport. But right now they're saying another possible landfall. If we're taking a look at the center of the cone, Pensacola, not Pensacola, Pensacola, and then Mobile is also a possible one. Pensacola, Fort Walton Beach, Niceville, Lynn Haven, and possibly Panama City. That they're in the outskirts though. But if worst case scenario though, it could make landfall near Venice, Louisiana, Burris. That could be the first U.S. landfall, and then the second U.S. landfall will be near there. But we'll get a better idea as we get further along the PSI scale. It's gonna rise pretty quickly, as I'd be saying maybe a category 1 landfall, maybe a strong tropical storm, as it's expected to move into cooler waters. Um, so, apart from that, that's really it. So, goodbye.